Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Just a quick video on my Instagram, um, first of many. I've been on and off, basically I've been off sick and I just needed to recuperate, and I'm currently off work now, and basically a quick video to say, I'm so desperate and so, you could say, motivated to quit my job as soon as I can. Obviously, in order to do that, you have to, or I have to, make an income online, a sustainable income online, which it will take a little bit of time. I mean, it's not a get rich quick scheme at all. No way. It's going to be where you have to put in your work. You have to put in the work non-stop. In any business, you have to, and you're gonna turn up every day regardless. Okay, so I mean, at the moment, in order to get a day off, last minute day off, you can't. If you're working a job, you can't. You have to beg and ask your boss to get a day off. You can't. It's really impossible. And if you have your own business, like let's say a normal brick and mortar business, and if you're on your own, and you don't have a partner or any like sort of business partner looking out for you or looking after the business, you're going to struggle to get a day off as well, don't get me wrong. But at the same time, online business, that's what I want to do. That enables you, because it's online, it's virtual, you can connect, network with people online, especially these times now, COVID-19, where a lot of businesses are doing meetings online, virtual meetings, things like that. So online business that enables and makes it easy for you to do that. And I think that is one of the great benefits of starting an online business, regardless whatever the business is. Me personally, I mean, I'm sort of into affiliate marketing and lead generation. Obviously, lead generation, I think, is important for any aspect of business, being brick and mortar or online business. It doesn't matter what. Lead generation, if you don't get the lead, if you don't get a customer through your door, you're not going to sell anything. Same with online. If you're not going to get traffic to your website, you're not going to get the business. You're not going to sell anything. You're not going to make any money. So lead generation, I think, is one of skills I want to learn, and I will get to grasp of, hopefully. So just a quick video. I'm not going to take a long. This is going to go on my YouTube and my Instagram. So if you're watching this on Instagram, my YouTube link will be in my bio, or my website link, whatever, it will be on there. If you're watching this on YouTube, all my details, my Instagram will be down below in the description, my website and my Twitter as well. I'm on Twitter. Connect with me on there, and come join me in my journey to success and to fire my boss, really. And let's get it. Let's get this. I've got so many goals that I want to achieve, and I want you guys to join with me, to join with me in my journey, and we'll do it together. So thank you guys. Have a good evening or good afternoon, wherever you are, and you take care. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Until next time. Bye bye.